dumpster rental service in Quakertown, Pennsylvania. At Scotchwood Disposal Services Inc, we are proud to provide affordable and reliable dumpster rental service in Quakertown, Pennsylvania, tailored to meet your unique project requirements. Whether you are managing a home renovation, conducting a yard cleanup, or coordinating a commercial project, our extensive selection of dumpster sizes is designed to accommodate projects of every scale. We understand that every project is different, which is why we offer flexible rental periods that ensure you pay only for the duration you require. Our commitment to prompt delivery and efficient pickup simplifies your waste disposal process, allowing you to focus on completing your project on schedule. Our experienced team is dedicated to delivering top-quality service by ensuring that your dumpster is carefully placed and removed with minimal disruption. We work diligently to provide a hassle-free experience and address all of your waste management concerns with professionalism and attention to detail. At Scotchwood Disposal Services Inc, your satisfaction is our highest priority, and we take pride in being Quakertown's leading dumpster rental provider. Ready to streamline your cleanup process? Call us today at 833-737-3867 and let us provide the reliable dumpster rental service you deserve. Experience efficiency, affordability, and expert support today.